Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
What does it mean when Krishna says, I am not in them?
Huh? I am not in them because you cannot see them. Krishna is there, but you cannot see him. You are not advanced. Just like another example, here is the sunlight is here. Everyone experiences it, but that does not mean sun is here. Is it clear?
Yes.
Sun is here means sunshine is here means sun is here. But still, because you are in the sunshine, you cannot say, now I capture the sun. Sun is existing in the sun. But sun is not present in the sunshine. Without sun, there is no sunshine. That does not mean the sunshine is sun. Same time, you can say the sunshine means sun. This is called achinta veda, simultaneously one and the one. In the sunshine, you feel the presence of the sun, but if you are able to enter into the sun glow, you can meet the sun god also. Actually, the sunshine means the rays of the body of the person living in the sun glow. That is explained in the Brahma Samhita. Jasya prabha prabhavato jagadanna koti. On account of Krishna's, you have seen Krishna's effulgence is coming, and that is the source of everything. That expansion of that effulgence is the Brahma Jyoti, and in that Brahma Jyoti, innumerable spiritual planets, material planets are generated, and in each and every planet there are varieties of presentation. Actually the origin is the Krishna's rays of the body, and the rays of the body's origin is Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,